What could be better than beautifully roasted pork with crunchy, golden crackling? Sometimes getting the crackling on your roast pork just right can be tricky, but with a Weber gas barbecue, it's easy. Today we're going to show you how to cook roast pork with mouth-watering pork crackling that your family and friends will love. We'll also show you how to create the perfect accompaniment to our pork, a velvety sweet applesauce. To create that amazing pork crackling, you'll need to use high temperatures when you start cooking. So it's extremely important that you preheat the barbecue for longer to get it really hot. You'll need to follow these simple steps to get your Spirit 2 ready. To light your barbecue, turn your gas bottle on. Turn the left-hand control knob to the start high position and then immediately press your igniter button. To ignite the other burners, simply turn the gas control knobs to high. When preheating for roasting your pork and to achieve that mouth-watering crackling, leave the outside burners on high and set the inside burner to low. Today we are cooking a rolled pork loin. Try to avoid buying Crackling pork, which is vacuum sealed in plastic, as it is much harder to crackle. When buying your pork, ask the butcher to score the skin for you. If you prefer to do it yourself, just make sure you don't cut too deep. You only want to cut through the skin and just into the fat layer. Around 3mm deep is a good gauge. The best way to get that perfect crackling is to ensure that the skin is completely dry. Pat dry the skin with paper towel. Rub a small amount of olive oil into the skin. Then apply a generous amount of salt. To estimate the cooking time for our pork loin, I'm going to measure the meat through its thickest part. When roasting, heat is absorbed from the outside of the meat into the centre, so we use thickness of the meat rather than the weight. 1 minute per millimetre is a pretty good guide to cook a roast like this to medium. Our pork measures around 90mm at its thickest part, so it will take around 90 minutes to cook through. Okay, the barbecue has been preheating for 20 minutes, so now we're ready to cook. To roast, we turn the centre burner off, leaving the outside burners on high. Now let's place our pork in the centre of the cooking grill and close the lid. It's now time to get that stunning applesauce ready. Place 4 apples, lemon juice, caster sugar and water in a Weber casserole dish or saucepan. Place your saucepan on the side burner of your barbecue or on a stovetop, over high heat for 10 minutes, stirring every couple of minutes. Once all of the water has evaporated, turn your burner to low and continue to cook and stir until the apples have softened and broken down into this beautiful sauce. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry and I can't wait to check out this pork. Have a look at that. Perfect crackling pork with our scrumptious applesauce. Remember, all of the information you need to get the best out of your Weber Spirit 2 and the full recipes can be found in your barbecue handbook or on our website.